Morning. It's cereals day. Heading over to the farm to pick Dad up. James is feeding. It's 7:20 and we need to be there for 10ish, give or take. I'm trying to leave it as late as I can to avoid the traffic. Hopefully Dad's fed the cows. I've not had any breakfast, I'm starving, and I've got to convince him to drive because I need to edit. I'm just gonna drop that bombshell on him when I get there. You're gonna drive because I have so much to do. So yeah, let's go and get Dad. For some reason I bought a bucket of corn with me to drive to cereals. It was in there from moving the sheep. So we're taking that with us to Oxfordshire. I did just think to myself, people probably won't actually know what cereals is. Cereals is not what you eat for your breakfast. I mean, it is. You can have cereal for your breakfast, but this type of cereals is a agricultural show, more based around arable than livestock. There is obviously stands there that do talk about livestock and ways to develop that, but there's a lot about crops. I know Jeremy's dug a hole for us to look at, like how much topsoil there is, how much clay there is, how much stone there is, how far the root depth is going, all of them things. So it's a day for farmers to sort of go and have a look at innovative new ways to develop farming and get the best yields off their farm, basically. So we're going to take you along, just waiting for Dad, and see how the day goes. I need you to drive.
Why?
Because I need to edit.
Okay.
Oh, that went better than expected. God, look at all them eyebrow hairs. Gosh. Dad's going to drive. I'm going to edit. All I have for snacks is these. If you haven't had these, I freaking love them. They are frozen, but I unfreeze them because I don't like how cold they are. But it's chocolate covered strawberries with white chocolate and normal chocolate. We've made it to cereals. Well, close enough to cereals.
We made it to a queue.
We're queuing in a lot of traffic that don't actually look like farmers. And yeah, it's taken 2.5 hours. It's been great, hasn't it?
Fantastic.
You've had such a good time with me.
It's been great. Really enjoyed it. Thank you.
Dad discovered that the car will tell you, it will offer you a cup of tea.
It still says now.
And what did you say to that?
Tea, no sugar.
Tea, no sugar, please. What are you looking forward to looking at cereals?
Well, my love. Well,
What's the thing you're most excited to see? Jeremy's hole?
I don't want to look at Jeremy's hole, to be honest with you. Thank you very much.
He told me earlier he was really interested in looking at Jeremy's hole.
Yeah, put it in context, please.
Jeremy's dug a hole.
To show you the soil structure.
To show you the
root
soil structure and the root structure of the crop. CF Moto are here, our favourites. We bought our CF Moto umbrellas, haven't we?
Yeah.
We're going to be repping. Caleb's got a stand. What else is here that you want to see? Have you looked at anything on TikTok, on the gram?
I'm just driving.
Well, you know you're at cereals because every car in the road is a pickup truck.
It's nice. Motorbike there, look.
Wow.
And a van.
One. Pick up.
Oh, sheer well dated, look.
Pick up.
Car.
Tags.
Car.
Yeah, there is quite a few cars, but most of them are
we're
pickups.
nearly there, look.
Never seen a suit with muck boot combination. We've arrived. We're going to take a quick dash so no one recognises
Oh,
him.
fucking hell. Have you got
Very
keys?
hard being with him. Yeah, I've got keys.
Oh, fuck.
Looking at Jeremy's Hilux that he's smashed up, that's indestructible, but isn't indestructible because it fell off a cliff and it's fucked. But I'm not bagging that up because I love Hiluxes. Don't we? We love a Hilux.
Speak for yourself.
We've had a look at some herbal lays. Dad's not interested in corn very much, so he's been looking at the grass lays more so. We've been and looked at a wrapper system for the quad. We need to find CF Moto and Deutz 4.
And GPS.
Oh yeah, FJD Dynamics put a new GPS system in Dad's McCormick last week, so he wants to find them and talk to them as well, because at the minute he's just getting used to doing that. So getting used to GPS, aren't you, for your TEDing?
Yeah, slowly.
Slowly. Where are we? Your favourite place in the world? I love CF Moto. We're going to go and sit in. Ooh, the U10! Oh, baby. Yeah, I don't think these come as standard. Do these come as standard now?
No, the seat covers.
We need to get, yeah.
You do get heated seats as standard.
Oh, there you go. We've got heated seats. Get your umbrella in. Yeah, we're in. Apple CarPlay. These are your gears.
Really?
Yeah.
What, forward, reverse? Fucking hell. Electric windows.
Electric windows. What else did we say it's got standard? Oh, it's 900cc, isn't it?
Except the steering wheel's on the wrong side.
No. Oh, yeah.
It's left-hand drive, you muppet. Oh, we've got a doodah.
A doodah. It's got a doodah. It tips you.
Oh yes, electric.
But only is it 250 kilos it can tip, I think.
Yeah, we don't get it back else we won't do it.
It's got a winch on the front for when your sheep get stuck in edge.
When you want to drag a dead sheep out.
You now can.
Yeah, good.
Look at that sound system behind your head.
Oh, they're only 50 quid, I'll have one. If they're 50 quid,
good.
Give us one.
I'll take two.
Must be a show off.
We're looking at a swath roller that Dad wanted to make one. How would you make that then? Would you need a cylinder then?
No, it doesn't have to be as big as that, does it? But, bloody hell.
Is that hollow?
I would have thought, yeah, I hope so. It'd be very heavy, wouldn't it?
Stick out even further on the front of the bullets, won't it? So we just stopped by CF Moto and had a look at the U10, which is the UTV that we've got coming, which is very excited. Dad's very excited because he wants it for... oh, that's a snow plough.
Yeah.
That's a snow plough that I wanted. They're small, aren't they? To have a look at that so that we could see what was coming along. So yeah. Dad's forgot exactly what it was that he needs to do with his
device correction tools.
Yes. So
We've done all of this at yours. You need to then set up.
But this is the FJD Dynamics stand.
Always put a slight angle, so you always grab and move everything.
Yeah.
And then when we're raking, if you were like raking the mown swaths, go at slight angle.
We're going to get food. It's £10 for a cheeseburger.
It's fucking what?
£10 for a cheeseburger.
10 fucking
cheesy cheeseburger.
Oh, I think I'll go hungry.
Have an ice cream.
Do you want to?
I do want food, but I don't really want to pay £10 for a cheeseburger. Yeah. These drones are designed to spray on your field so you don't have to drive on them. They are humongous. Like, you can't believe the size of these drones. Don't look, Dad. Dad loves UTV.
Oh, what one? Have a look at this one. Just look here.
Oh yeah, beautiful. That one's not as bad. I don't think they're as bad. How many lumens is that?
4,800.
4,000. That's 6,000. So it would be better. Yeah. Looking at these for one of the Massies. We need to sort. Oh, a nice reversing camera lock. Lisa's now getting 3. This is what you did when you was 12.
Let's go to Clark.
This is Clark's.
Yeah.
Mobile shoe shop now.
Shoe shop. They used to put your feet on the thing and slide the thing down and put a band around you, didn't they?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Actually just done a bit of an interview about OnlyFans, which is what Lisa's wearing on her shirt. We're being fitted for the new V12s, which are no longer steel. They're now like, what are they? Composite, yep. Which is lighter, because V12s originally were really heavy boots, but they're not anymore. Just been talking about OnlyFans.
Hello.
Look at your shirt.
So these boots are actually incredibly comfortable
and
lightweight for safety boots. The only time I've had an accident really badly twisting my knee is wearing safety boots.
Oh. But these aren't steel.
I know.
They're
So they are
amazing.
totally composite, and they come with a guarantee. If they're not the most lightweight and most comfortable safety boot you've ever worn,
Yeah,
you have your money back.
I think these are
You have
better.
your money back.
They are. They're great.
I think hers are high heels because they're very.
And do you know I fit all of the
Look at the size of this bucket. I can stand in this bucket.
She's just doing a bit of
This is
footage.
the way that farming is going now, like actually looking
Content
at
they call
We've
it.
stumbled into Dad's favourite shop. He loves Yeti produce, and we've actually just found out that Yeti do a dog bowl, and Dad says, does it keep the dog's water cold or warm?
I do Yeti coffee.
Yeah.
You can go hiking and take your coffee
Coffee with you.
percolator with you.
What we found?
Jeremy's hole.
Jeremy's hole.
His mucky hole.
Jeremy's hole is packed, isn't it?
Jeremy's hole's very busy.
Yeah. Jeremy's got a busy hole. This should say Jeremy's hole. He really missed a trick there.
Yeah.
You go first then.
No. I'll do seconds.
Ooh, we're going in. It's not as bad as I thought it would be. This is the amount of topsoil. But we were just amazed by the amount of stone actually in the ground.
It's like a wall, isn't it?
Yeah, that is like all stone. And you can see the root structure like all through the topsoil still coming down here. There's roots all the way down here. So they're obviously having to go through the stone. Also, we can get out of the hole now and get an ice cream and make tracks because I have to the wall at 7. So we don't want to hit rush hour because the traffic in was a nightmare, so I imagine it won't be too much fun on the way out. The amount of time that it's taken to actually plant all of these crops is insane. So they must have known, you know, in some winter barley, some spring barley, like exactly all them months ago how much, exactly where everything needed to be. This has took some real planning. And I've got a funny feeling it wasn't Charlie Island that was actually planning all of this. But anyway, we're happy. Dad, are you happy with your boots?
Yeah.
Dad, we went to the V12 store and Dad was saying, actually the bloke come and collared us and said, will you come and try on some boots? And we did, because they've come out with a new design, which I was telling you about, that's steel toe cap.
Polycarbonate.
Do
Toe caps.
you want to go and get an ice cream?
Yeah, you're paying.
I don't have any money with me.
You stitched me up for
I drove.
chips for
Fuel
29 pigging
Fuel
quid.
costs more than 29 quid. They're
Polycarbonate.
and that basically means they're a lot lighter than the other V12s because Dad was talking to the bloke about his last V12s and found them really, really heavy, and the elasticity went in them and they sort of like started falling off his feet basically. So the bloke was very kind and gave him some boots. So well worth a day out for him. He's very happy about it. And now we're going to get an ice cream and Dad's going to pay for it because I don't have any money. And it turns out you can't actually get an ice cream. You have to get a token off of this nice plan here. And now we're going to wang a welly. What we're doing?
not doing that.
We're not doing that.
You put a ring on a welly.
We've got to ring a welly
Yeah.
to win a water gauge because we know what a
One
water.
of 5 prizes. Don't understand it.
Sorry,
Or a
it's great.
cap.
You two can win a cap. Let's do it.
Among other things, yeah.
I just have to hit any.
You've got to allow for the wind.
Any,
Allow for the wind.
It's
Very
fucking,
technical, this is.
I go for the top one because it's easier.
Okay. Well, it's very windy. Oh, I've done it.
Yeah, it's blown over.
No, you need a ring over, not
Oh.
blown over.
Hey!
That would
Well,
just,
happy.
Pressure, but
that would
there's
just
clearly a lot
look
of
it. That
There's
was
a lot
just,
of pressure.
that would just look.
Allow for the wind, allow for the wind.
It's all going to blow over in a minute.
Oh dear, still
Can
didn't
you
get
stand
it.
that back up, please?
Yes, sir, I can.
You're getting very close. Oh dear.
A bit overzealous, sorry.
Oh, she beat
That
you.
was on and off.
She beat you.
That bounced off.
The rain gauge turned out to be a t-shirt, which is actually more beneficial. Now we have a token, we're going to go and get ice cream and then we're going to head home. So we are officially finished with cereals. Good day.
Yeah.
He got free ice cream because he welly wanged. Whatever it was called. And he lost, sadly. Aww. He wanted
I was
a cat.
unlucky.
You wasn't unlucky, you lost.
It bounced off.
You was unskilled.
It bounced off.
But we got free ice cream, so Anyway, that is it for cereals 26. And I'm exhausted. Now I've got to drive 2.5 hours back and go home. I'm finishing the video here because otherwise I'll take the mic off, get home and then completely forget. So thank you very, very, very much for watching. Hopefully I'm going to get better at doing these kind of videos. Or maybe hopefully I won't need to. But that's another story. There's lots of surprising things coming. If you haven't already seen, I have brought out a book that comes out on the 10th of September. You can pre-order it now. I'll put the link on the screen and leave it in the bio as well. So please go and buy it. I just can't believe I've written a book. Like, that is crazy to me. I'm like, oh my God. But yeah, great day at Cereals. I think, what is he doing? Probably having a wee. But yeah, thank you very, very much for watching.